If you have a need for structural member profiles that are not available by default in SolidWorks, you can always create your own. The process is easy. You simply create a sketch and save it as a library feature. Here I have a sketch I wish to use as a profile for structural members. The origin of the sketch is important. Its location will be the default pierce point of the profile when I use it in a weldment. Any vertex or joint can be used as a pierce point. In this case, I'll add a sketch point at the center of the lower segment. Once the geometry is defined, all I have to do is exit the sketch and make it into a library feature. I'll select the sketch in the Feature Manager tree, go to File, Save As, and change the Save As type to Library Feature. The location of the file is important. The default location of weldment profiles is in the SolidWorks installation directory. Under Language, English, and Weldment Profiles. If you wish to save the file elsewhere, be sure to add your chosen folder to the File Locations list in the SolidWorks System Options. I'll save the file into a new folder called My Profiles. This will become a new standard, as we'll see in a moment. Within this new folder, I have to define a subfolder that will serve as the type of profile. I'll create a folder called Hex. Finally, I'll name the profile something descriptive, such as 3ID by 0.25 for 3-inch inner diameter by 1/4 inch thick. Once the profile is saved, I can use it like any other profile. I'll create a new part and create a simple rectangular sketch. Next, I'll add a structural member. You can see I have My Profiles as a standard, Hex as a type, and 3ID by 0.25 as a size. If necessary, I can locate the profile and change its pierce point to the Any Vertex or to the sketch point I added.